Are you new to trading or maybe struggling with your current trading? Maybe you're wondering if it's possible to trade at all with a small account or even while working a full-time job. I've actually been in the trading industry for over a decade now, and I started learning how to swing trade stock options while I was still working a full-time job as an engineer. And now today, years later, I now teach others how to analyze charts to find trade setups, how to choose the best strategies to trade, and how to become more independent traders. How? Well, that's what we cover in this series. Ways to help you start trading with confidence, trading with purpose, and trading with insight. All right, so welcome to our very first episode in this series, Trading with Insight. So the first question we're going to cover today is, how do you trade in the stock market for income? I get this question all of the time because it's one of those things that people just don't realize is possible, right? So there are a number of ways to trade for income. So typically when we're working with clients and students, and really just in our past, we like to focus on trading stock options because they give us a lot of leverage, not like shares. Stock options really give us a lot of leverage without us having to risk a bunch of our own capital. And B, we can profit if the stock is moving up, if the stock is moving down, or if the stock is just ranging and just moving sideways, right? So stock options really give us a lot of flexibility. And usually we'll just wait for the market to give us a signal that it's about to start moving in a certain direction. And then we just hop in a trade and profit off of the market moving in that specific direction. Does that make sense? Whether that direction is up, down, or sideways. So if we think the stock is going to move up, we open a trade where we profit from the stock moving up. If we think the stock is going to go down, then we would open a trade where we profit from the market falling and dropping. We could even put on a neutral trade if we think the market is just going to start moving sideways and ranging, right? If we don't think the market's going to make much of a move up or down at all, we can put on a neutral trade and we can profit that way. That's the power of options. So how you choose to trade in the stock market is ultimately up to you, right? It really just depends on what your preferences are. But I do highly recommend that if you're looking to trade for income, I highly recommend that you look at trading stock options. They give you so many opportunities to be profitable. And so if you're interested in learning some of the processes that we teach as far as how you can trade using stock options, especially if you're trying to trade for income, you can check out our free video over at free.deneentrades.com, or you can just go straight to deneentrades.com and you can check out some of the other features that we have there and some of the other things that we offer. So that wraps it up for this episode, short and sweet, which is how I'm going to be keeping the episodes in this series. So hopefully that helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one.